In this video, I'll show you how to edit your PDFs using Docusign step by step so you can update documents quickly without starting from scratch. Start by logging into your Docusign account, and from your dashboard click Start or Upload to add your PDF file. Once uploaded, add recipient details if needed, and click Next to open the document editor. While Docusign is mainly designed for signing workflows, you can still make practical edits by adding text fields, checkboxes, dates, and other elements on top of your PDF. Use the available tools to place and adjust these fields where needed, ensuring everything aligns properly with your document layout. If you need major content changes, it's usually better to edit the original file before uploading. After making updates, review everything carefully and proceed to send or save the document. This method helps you efficiently manage and update PDFs within your workflow. Subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.